Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy video clips to a USB drive so you can bring this and connect it to a computer and edit on there or something like that. So you can see under my USB drive in the media gallery, I have one video clip and I'm going to have to close down Minecraft to view it. But what we want to do is go to the media gallery and it's under game library. And then let's go to the media gallery and it opens up. And if we plug in a USB drive and we format it to exFAT, and I have tons of videos on how to do that on my channel, very easy, just format it and then plug it in, and there will be an option on the top here where it says USB, and this will allow us to pretty much use it on our PlayStation. So you can see all the video clips you have on here transferred already. I got one. Now all you have to do is go on over to your video clip, press options on it, and there will be an option copy to USB drive. So let's copy this one video clip over, and it's going to be under that specific folder now. So I should have two Minecraft videos, and now I can use this on my computer. So just copy it on over and you should be good to go. It's very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.